Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing additional mathematics. Students, today we are going to do question number 7 from past papers May-June 2012 paper 1-2. The topic is circular measure. The question is, the diagram shows a circle, center O, radius 8 centimeter, points P and Q lie on the circle such that the chord PQ 12 centimeter and angle POQ is theta radians. Part number 1, show that theta is equals to 1.696 correct to 3 decimal places. So it is very easy questions. The triangle POQ is an isosceles triangle. Why? Because in a triangle radii are same. So if we draw a perpendicular line from the center O to the chord PQ, this line is split line PQ in equal half, that is 12 centimeter becomes 6 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Also this line break the angle theta in theta upon 2, that is half of the angle. So if we apply trigonometrical ratio, simple trigonometrical ratio, sine theta upon 2 is equals to opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is 6 and hypotenuse is 8. Therefore, theta upon 2 is equals to sine inverse 6 upon 8. So sine inverse 6 upon 8 you can find from your calculator, but your calculator must be in radian mode. You will get 0.845 and we have to find theta. So this 2 which is in denominator must be multiplied by 0.845 multiplied by 2. You will get the final answer 1.696 radians. And this is the requirement of part number 1. So very easy part. You must have the concept of trigonometry. What is the second part? Find the perimeter of the shaded region. This is also very easy. Perimeter of the shaded region means we have to add all those lines which are touches to the shaded region. So part number 2, I will use not necessary. So one is the arc length of POQ, but I am talking about the major angle. One is theta and the other is this one. So first we have to find this major angle POQ. You can write over here major angle POQ. The total angle subtended in the center of the circle is 2 pi. So angle POQ is 2 pi minus theta. Theta we have find 1.696. Therefore the angle is, you can use your calculator, you will get 4.59. radians. So now we are going to find the major arc which is angle which is arc POQ. The formula of major arc or the minor arc is S is equals to R theta. So R is 8 into theta is 4.59. So 8 multiplied by 4.59 is 36.7. Therefore, the perimeter of the shaded region is 36.7 plus 12, because 12 is also touches to the shaded region. So our final answer is 36.7 plus 12. This will give you 48.7 centimeters. This is our final answer. So hope you understand part 2, find the perimeter of the shaded region. Now see what is part 3. Part 3 is find the area of the shaded region. So see the diagram carefully, how to find the area of the shaded region. It's very easy. If you find the area of the major arc, that is POQ, where we use the major angle which is 4.59, plus if we add the area of triangle in the area of the major arc, we will get the final answer of area of the shaded region. So first we have to find the area of major arc. The formula of the area is half into radius square. Radius is 8 square into theta. We have to use the major angle, that is 4.59. Simplify it from your calculator. You will get 146.88. 146.88. Now find the area of triangle. Area of triangle POQ, half into first side, that is 8, into second side, that is 8, sine of the given angle. So sine of theta, we have already find in part number 1, 1.696. By using your calculator, where your calculator must be in radian mode, you will get the answer is 31.74. Hence, the area of the shaded region is 146.88 plus 31.77. This will give you 178.5. Correct to one decimal place. 178.5 centimeter square. So this is our final answer of part number 3. So student, this is our today's class where we did question number 7 from past papers, May-June 2012 paper code 1-2. So I hope you understand completely this question. In next lecture, we will do some more questions from this topic, circular measure. I request all of you kindly to subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button, so that when I upload my videos, my lecture, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.